Think your iPhone has a virus? Don't worry. Here's how to clean it step by step. Step 1. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap General. Scroll again and tap VPN and Device Management. If you see any profiles you don't recognize, tap them and choose Remove Profile. Step 2. Go back to the main settings screen. Tap on Search in the bottom and search Safari. Then tap on it. Scroll and tap Clear History and Website Data. Then confirm. This removes harmful pop-ups and trackers. Step 3. Check your apps. Go to the home screen or app library. Press and hold any suspicious app you don't remember downloading and tap Delete App. Step 4. Back in Settings, scroll down and tap General. Then tap Software Update. If an update is available, download and install it. Updates fix security issues that malware may use. Step 5. Restart your iPhone to refresh the system. Optional final step. If problems continue, go to Settings, tap General, scroll down, and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then tap Reset and choose Reset All Settings. This does not erase your data, but resets system settings. And that's it. Your iPhone should now be clean and secure. If this helped you out, don't forget to subscribe. It really helps me keep making quick iPhone tips for you.